Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video from the Palestinian School in Qatar. Ramadan Mubarak. Unit 13, When Islam Came to Spain, page 71-72, period 8 and 9. Let's start our lesson. These are our pages, page 71 and 72. We'll talk about, inshallah, about a grammar rule. It's about phrasal verbs. This is the rule. We will take activity number 1 from this page, and we will take activity number 2 and the activity 1 and 2 from period 9. So let's start. Read sentences from 1 to 6. I have to hurry up. I have to get up early. They took over the country. They took the country over. They took it over. They set it up in Cordoba. You can notice the highlighted verbs are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. A verb and a preposition after it. And we can notice here that they took over the country. They took the country over. This is the object. And we have here it and it. Let's see the rule, try to understand and figure out what is our rule. Look at the sentences again. Take the best way to complete the statements. 1. The phrasal verbs in sentences 1 and 2. Hurry up, get up. Have or don't have objects. I, subject, have to, hurry up, verb, so. I have to get up early, adverbs, verb, subject, so it's okay. They don't have any objects. Okay. The phrasal verbs in 3 and 6 have or don't have objects. 3. They, subject, took over. Verb, the country, object. Okay. They, subject, set it up in Cordoba. Set it up. So they have objects. Okay. Sentences 3 and 4 have a phrasal verb plus noun object or pronoun object. What do you think? 3 and 4. The country, noun or pronoun? Excellent. Noun object. What about sentences 5 and 6? Sentences 5 and 6 have a phrasal verb. 5 and 6. It's here. Noun object or pronoun? What do you think? It is pronoun object. Excellent. So we have two types of objects. Noun object and the pronoun object. 5. And these are the most important rules here. In sentences 3 and 4, the noun only goes in center position, or after the phrasal verb. What do you think? The noun only in the center, or it comes after the phrasal verb? It comes after and in the center. They took over the country and they took the country over. What about in sentences 5 and 6? The pronoun only goes in center position, or goes in center position or after the phrasal verb? Took it over, set it up. It comes just in the center position. Only goes in center position. Make sure that you take the correct choice to make the correct rule. Now let's try to move to the next page, the next period, and answer the questions related to phrasal verbs. Don't forget, when the noun object comes, we can use it in the center and we can use it after the phrasal verb. But if the object is a pronoun, if we deal with a pronoun object, it only comes in the center. Okay, it goes only in the center position between the verb and the preposition. We can't say took over it or set up it. We just have to say took it over, get it. For example, took it over, set it up, and so on. Let's move to the next period. Complete the conversations. Use these phrasal verbs: pass on, put on, throw away, tidy up, turn off, and turn on. We will use them in different ways related to their meanings. Let's start. It's getting dark now. Right, I think I'd better turn on the lights. This is the key words. It's getting dark, so we should turn on the lights. Yes, I think you should turn them on too. That's a good idea. Is it clear? The task is very easy. We should use the phrasal verb without any splits between the verb and the preposition, and then we will put the pronouns in the center of the phrasal verbs. I hate that horrible noise. Right, I think I'd better space the music. I hate this loud noise, so turn off the music. I should turn off. I'd better turn off the music. Yes, I think you should turn it off too. That's a good idea. Please pause the video, try to do the task, then check your answer. 3. Your desk looks very untidy. Right, I think I'd better tidy up my box and pens and pencils. Yes, I think you should tidy them up too. That's a good idea. So tidy up, tidy them up. 4. It's really cold outdoors today. This is the key word, cold outdoors. Right, I think I'd better my coat when I go out. I'd better put on my coat when I go out. Yes, I think you should put it on too. That's a good idea. Well done. 5. Some people haven't heard about the new travel dates. Right, I think I'd better the information. What is pass on the information? Excellent. Pass on the information to tell others a new information, to pass on the information. Yes, I think you should pass it on too. That's a good idea. The last one, I don't think you can wear those dirty old clothes anymore. Right, I think I'd better throw away the jeans and the t-shirt too. Yes, I think you should throw them away too. That's a good idea. Make sure that you answer this question correctly, and so you can answer the next one without any problem. Write out the words in the correct order. Put the object after the phrasal verb when you can. And we have a model, and you have to do 2, 3, and 4. Let's see the model here. It's just a rearrange question. Put the sentences in the correct order. Need dates up I to some. Look, I need to look up some dates. You can look them up on the internet. Please pause the video. Check your answer after you finish doing the activity. Sentence 2. I can't work out the answer. I can work it out for you. 3. Let's put away these dishes. Yes, let's put them away in that cupboard. 4. We need to give those books back soon. Yes, we should give them back today. Hope you answer these questions correctly, because it's a very good and important questions related to phrasal verb and the use of phrasal verb when the object comes as a noun and when the object comes as a pronoun. Let's move to the next slide. Follow the example and form new sentences. This activity is a good one. You have to write it in your exercise book. Write this activity in your exercises book and do it, please. I should look up some dates. Yes, you should look them up. You have to use the same phrase here. Yes, you should. And you have to use a pronoun object instead of noun object. 2. I should work out the answer. What do you think? Yes, you should work it out. Work the answer out. Work it out. Excellent. 3. I should put away these dishes. Yes, you should put them away. Put them away. Instead of these dishes, we use a pronoun, which is them. 4. I should give back this book to the library. Yes, you should give it back to the library. And the last one, I should tidy up my room. Yes, you should tidy it up. You should tidy your room up. This was our lesson for today. Thank you for your attending. This is Mr. Abdullah Shurrabi from the Palestinian School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.